Hey everybody, Jason from Automation Made Simple. This is a quick video just on something that dropped in the last few days from ChatGPT. It's unannounced, so we don't have much official information on it, but it started to appear in people's profiles, and it's small but very useful. So what it is the ability to be able to call custom GPTs into your conversation that you're having with ChatGPT. So I guess it's like you're in a meeting, you're having a conversation with some team members, and then you need an expert to bring into the conversation, and you bring someone else into that conversation. So this is what it's like. We can be having a conversation in ChatGPT, and whereas before we would have to then, if we wanted to talk to a custom GPT, we'd have to click on that and go into that. That would be a separate conversation. And then we'd have to jump back in between them. Now we can bring them into the conversation, and they can work on the context of the previous conversation as well. So let me show you what I mean. So let's ask the regular GPT a question about building a CRM system. So let's ask it a basic question. Give me 5 common tables I would need in a CRM database. So we're talking about databases here, but obviously the conversation could be about any category. So let's do that and see what it comes back with. Hopefully it will come back with some useful information. Yep, so okay, we have some contacts, we have company interactions, deals and opportunities, and tasks and activities. This is something we'd expect. And now let's say we want to bring in an Airtable expert to talk about more details about these tables and the fields. So I've built a custom GPT that's based around Airtable. It contains information about Airtable and best practices with Airtable. And so I want to call in that GPT now to delve deeper into this conversation. So all I have to do is bring up the @ symbol. It will give me a choice of GPTs I have connected. So we're going to use this Airtable best practice. And then we're going to say, so we're going to ask it what field types I would use in these tables. So remember, we don't have to give it the context of the conversation that's happened previously. It knows, and so we can just do that, and hopefully it's going to come back with some Airtable specific information based on the knowledge that this GPT has. Let's give it a go. Okay, so straight away it's into the contacts table, so it knows the tables that we're talking about. The company table, interactions table, deals and opportunities, and tasks and activities. That's great. So if we scroll up, we can see it's referencing the tables in the previous conversation. So it's come into the meeting, it's up to date on everything that's been going on, it knows everything that we've been talking about, and now it's giving its advice. And it's using kind of terminology like linked records, so Airtable type terminology, because it knows we're working in Airtable. It's specifying fields that are available in Airtable, and so it's using its knowledge that it has. So just that little change there, it saves us from jumping in between different GPTs, but what it also does is enable us to bring custom GPTs with expert knowledge into the same conversation. So if you haven't got it yet, I think it'll be rolling out soon. It came to me yesterday, but yeah, good work, OpenAI. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Drop it in the comments. See you again.